Jai Hind to all. My name is Babita. I'm assistant professor in Department of Computer Application at Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So today we are coming to a new lecture in the series of data structure and analysis of algorithm. So today topic is a LCS, that is the longest common subsequence, and this topic is very important for all the students of MCA, BCA and BTech computer science also. And this also important for aspirants for who are preparing for UGC NET and GATE exams and competition exams. So let's get start with this topic. So what are the outcomes? So after discuss this lecture, learner definitely will learn about the longest this is the longest common subsequence, and what is the subsequence. Next we will talk about what is the difference between the subsequent and substrings, because both terms are related our computer science. And after that we are work on some problem solutions, right? So after that we are talked about some application area where the LCS is widely used in today's technology or today's world, right? So let's get start with the statement. So basically, before discussing the LCS in depth, firstly we will understand what is the problem behind this particular concept. So just suppose कि आपके पास we have a two strings, and in two strings you have to calculate the you have to find out the subsequences, right? Yeah, let's suppose we have a string 1 like welcome, right? And we have a string 2 like done. So in the both strings we have to find out the common subsequences, right? Common subsequences means which are is available in string 1 as well as in string 2, right? Here we have a two approach. As previous we study, या हमने जैसा अभी तक कंप्यूटर और प्रोग्रामिंग कॉन्सेप्ट में पढ़ा है कि let's suppose कि welcome is a string. So basically the welcome is have a more than one substrings. So basically the substrings is mean the sub part of this the original string. So just for example, well is the substring of welcome, right? Just I'm taking come is a substring of welcome. So basically this is the concept of substring, but here we are discussing subsequence. So as we understood by its name subsequence, that means sequence is nothing but it is a it is an order, right? यहाँ इसका मतलब क्या है कि एक हमारी सब सीक्वेंस बनेगी, बट वो सीक्वेंस क्या होनी चाहिए? इन ऑर्डर होनी चाहिए. दैट मीन्स द गिवन ऑर्डर ऑफ द ओरिजिनल स्ट्रिंग नॉट डिस्टर्ब्ड एंड नॉट अपडेट. As the order is given, we are taking some characters of the original string, and these characters combine them, and these characters make a subsequence. So basically, if I'm talking about here the common characters are O, right? Like E. So basically the subsequence of both string is OE. So this is the subsequence of these strings. So this is the meaning of the today's topic, right? So this is the problem statement. We have two strings, and the task is to find the longest common subsequence present in the given string in the same order. जैसे मैंने आपको इधर एक्सप्लेन किया है कि जो भी हमारी पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रिंग होगी उसके अंदर से हमें कुछ नंबर ऑफ सबसीक्वेंसेस फाइंड आउट करने होते हैं, बट among the all subsequences which one is the longest subsequence? Just for example कि हमने यहाँ पे कुछ अलग अलग like EL is the subsequence, right? CO या CME is a subsequence, but what is the common subsequence of the of these strings. This is the main concept, right? So this is problem statement. Another example of understanding this particular concept, the DNA approach, where we have some characteristics. Just for example कि अगर हम ये कहें कि कुछ persons होते हैं, उन persons के आपस में कुछ means like टेस्ट की अगर हम बात करें तो कुछ का टेस्ट मैच करता है. जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल कि मुझे शुगर पसंद है या मुझे स्वीट्स पसंद है या मुझे जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल अनदर थिंग. तो उनमें क्या होता है, कुछ नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हमारी मैच करती हैं. बट पॉसिबिलिटी इज दैट कि अगर हम पेरेंट्स की बात करें कि एक पेरेंट्स और चाइल्ड के बीच के अगर हम मैचिंग्स फाइंड आउट करें तो देयर इज द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ मोर देन वन, या वी कैन से द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ मैचिंग्स विल बी there among the parents and childrens, so as compared to other persons. So DNA में भी क्या होता है, one by one we are comparing some strings and we are comparing some characters या features, and these features have the possibility of a maximum, right, to match it. So on the basis we are just finalize कि these are the children, या this is the हम मीन्स वो उन पेरेंट्स का क्या है कि एक मैक्सिमम सेट बनता है मैचिंग्स का, तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज द सबसीक्वेंस, राइट. नेक्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज अ सबसीक्वेंस. तो एज वी सीन इन द एग्जांपल, सबसीक्वेंस इज अ गिवन सीक्वेंस is a subsequence of a given sequence is a sequence that can be derived from the given sequence by deleting some or no elements without changing the order of the remaining elements, right? So here we have two examples. Here we are taking two examples to understand this particular concept betterly. Just in a first example, let's say we have a string 2 1 4 3 2, right? And we have a second string like 1 3 4 and 2. So there is the possibility of common sequence, because if I'm talking about a 1 and 3, so 1 and 3 is the common subsequence, and next if I'm talking about a 1 2, so basically 1 and 2 also the subsequence. Next 4 2, so here we have a 4 and here we have a 2. 2 is also 4 2 is also the subsequence. So there is the possibility among the two strings, right? And next we will talk about 1 3 and 2. So basically 1 3 and 2 also present in both strings, so we can say this is the subsequence of the given strings. Next we will talk about 1 4 and 3, right? And next 1 4 3 and 2, because order not disturbed, order should not be disturbed. हमारी जो गिवन स्ट्रिंग्स हैं, उन दोनों स्ट्रिंग्स में हमारे जो पर्टिकुलर सबसीक्वेंसेस निकल के आ रहे हैं उनका ऑर्डर डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना चाहिए, एज इज एज सेम एज इन द गिवन स्ट्रिंग, राइट? सो बेसिकली 1 4 यानी कि पहले 1 है 4 है एंड 2 है. दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन अ सेकेंड स्ट्रिंग इन अ सेम मैनर 1 4 and 3. दिस इज ऑल्सो द कॉमन subsequence between two strings, right? So what is the largest common subsequence? Here we have a number of subsequences, but what is the largest? Which one is the largest? Largest means the maximum number of characters. We can say maximum number of features may covered in the string, right? So 1 2 3, the above strings common subsequence have a 2 maximum size, right? But these two have a 3 maximum size, right? So these are the longest common subsequence. 1 3 2 and 1 4 2 is the common longest common subsequence. So basically this is the answer. The subsequence does not necessarily contain consecutive elements. This is the basic difference between the substring and subsequence. यही हमारा एक basic difference होता है. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि एक हमारी substring होती है and second one we are talking about a subsequence. So what is basic difference between both terms? So in a substring it is mandatory कि all the characters should be in consecutive manner, right? Just for example, welcome. So welcome, if I am talking about the WCOME, right? So this is not a substring because this is not a consecutive manner. But if I'm talking about the come is a substring of welcome because it is a consecutive, right? But if I'm talking about the subsequence is not necessary कि आपके जितने भी number of cases बन रहे हैं या number of common sequences आ रहे हैं वो आपके consecutive रहे. This is the basic difference, right? Next we have another example in which we have some characters, alphabetic characters, and here we have some common subsequences, right? The possibility like A and C. Here is the character A, here is the character C, and next character D, and next character F, right? These are the common characters between the both strings, right? Okay, what are the possibility of the common subsequences? So basically, if I'm combining, if I'm taking a one by one, so AC is the common subsequences, right? A, C, D, E, F, A, C, D, E, F is the common subsequence. Next, A, C, D is also the common subsequence. Next, A, C, F, because we are not disturb the order. As is given in an original string, we are taking in just the same manner. We are not disturbing it, right? So this is also the substring, subsequence. Next we have a CF. CF. There is the some means removing elements, right? यहाँ से हमने in remove elements को या in particular characters को remove किया, then also is a subsequence, right? Because this is not the case in the this is not as we told you कि सबस्ट्रिंग में ऐसा नहीं होता. अगर हम सबस्ट्रिंग की बात करते हैं तो हम इन तीन कैरेक्टर्स को यहाँ पे स्किप नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज द कंडीशन इज अ सबस्ट्रिंग इज ऑलवेज कंटेन्स इन अ कॉन्जिक्यूटिव मैनर बट सबसीक्वेंस इज नॉट नेसेसरी, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट DF is also the substring, and AF also the common subsequence. There is the multiple common subsequence which is depend on the size of the string 1 and string 2. This is the probability case, right? So what is the longest common subsequence? How can we calculate? First method is this is the brute force approach. We can say कि हमारा पहला एक ये जनरल मेथड होता है जिसको हम एज अ मैनुअल वे में ट्राई करते हैं, बट इट हैज अ मोर कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इफ आई एम अप्लाइंग इन अ प्रोग्रामिंग बिकॉज देयर इज अ नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटी कि आपके पास बहुत सारे सबसीक्वेंसेस बनेंगे, बट विच इज द कॉमन सबसीक्वेंसेस. हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट दिस? कैलकुलेशन इज बिकम मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स एज वी हैव अ लार्ज साइज ऑफ स्ट्रिंग्स, राइट? So there is a need and there is a requirement to apply an optimal solution to find the longest consequence. So this is the case ki why LCS is important in computer science. So firstly we will talk about, because हमें ये चीज समझ में आ जाएगी कि why we are studying this topic and we are discussing with each other, तो हमें थोड़ा easy होता है उस particular concept को means understood करने में. So there is the requirement या there is a need of LCS where we are implementing in a real life, right? If I am talking about the text comparison, लेट्स सपोज कि आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट दिया जाता है और आप ये फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं कि दिस इज द ओरिजिनल और नॉट. If this is derived from anywhere, so basically it is copied, and how can we check it? So the longest common subsequence algorithms is used in a tool that compare documents and files to find the difference and similarities. So basically if I am talking about the plagiarism software, so it is checked by comparing two pieces of text and see how much they are similar and how they are matched, right? Next we will talk about the DNA sequence analysis. So as previously told you about the DNA process, because when we have a situation to compare the features of the present candidates or along with the parents, ki who is the parents. So basically in this bioinformatics in the bioinformatics, LCS also widely used to compare the DNA sequences to find the similarities, because जहाँ पे हमें maximum number of similarities मिलेंगे, हम ये observe कर पाते हैं, measure कर पाते हैं कि this is the means the relation between the two persons, right? So which can help the scientist to understand the genetic relationship between different organisms, right? Next we will talk about the version control. So basically version control is the system that helps to merge the files. Yeah, we can say we have some common number of we have some files and we want to different versions. We want to find out the different versions of the file by finding common sequences in a file structures, right? So basically these are the requirement, and where we are implementing LCS. Next we will talk about how it work and how it is practically implemented, right? So largest common subsequence, as its names implies, we are finding the maximum number of matchings in a present in a original string. Yeah, so common sequence is a way to find the longest sequence that is common in a two strings. Let's consider we have a two strings, let's say X and Y. So basically the length of the X string may be anything. Just for example, I'm taking the same example like welcome, and next here X is the W, X2 is the E, XL is the X3, and we are going for XN. So basically this is the length. Yeah, we can say it as a 0 to M, right? Yeah, 1 to M. So basically this is the length of the string, right? Another we have another string, let's say Y, and the Y have some length, and length maybe contains the character 1, character 2, character 3. Let's say Y1, Y2, Y3, Y up to Yn. So just for example, come, right? So this is the string and these are the length. Here we have a number of characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So the length of the string 1 is a 7 and the length of the string 2 is a 4, right? Next, here we have the common subsequences of X and Y, that is called as a Z. Let's say we are calling it as a L, right? Yeah, Z, Z1, Z2. So basically the common subsequences like this. Here we have the common characters. Yeah, we will take the example of com, right? Yeah, we can say LOM, right? So they are the these are the possibilities. So the number of characters which is included in a common subsequences we called as a, let's say Z1, Z2, Z3 up to ZK. So basically this is the maximum length of the common subsequence. Next we have two approaches to doing so this, and we have a first recursive approach, and next we will talk about the dynamic programming approach. So recursive approach is a traditional, yeah, we can say, in which we are call a function recursively n-1 times, and this is the some time consuming approach. So we are not talking about here, but we are have the discussion on a dynamic programming approach. So basically this is the approach through which we are implementing LCS. So how can dynamic programming approaches work? Let's understood by taking the examples and by taking some definitions, right? So dynamic programming approach is more efficient to solve the longest common subsequence problems, because in a recursive approach we have faced some time complexity issues, and these time complexity issues is resolved by the dynamic programming approach. How can we understood by taking some examples, right? So recursive approach has a high time complexity because it recalculates the same sub problems in multiple times, right? So this is the main reason कि recursive programming approach का जो time complexity था वो is higher as compared to dynamic programming approach, because dynamic programming approach is avoid a redundant calculation, because every time we are taking some number of common subsequences and there is the possibility these are common subsequences may occur previously, right? So in the recursive approach there is the case कि हम मल्टीपल सबसीक्वेंसेस को मोर देन वन टाइम कहीं ना कहीं स्टोर करा रहे होंगे, राइट? Next, if I'm talking about the dynamic programming approach, so dynamic programming approach is worked in a 2D, yeah, we can say two-dimensional table-based solutions where the entry at dpij is nothing but it is a index. If I'm talking about the tabular index, yeah, tabular form of data storing, yeah, we can say is as 2D array. So basically the index of this particular cell, it is calculated by ij. Let's say this is the matrix, 2D matrix. So how can we calculate this particular cell index ij, right? So ij is the index where we are presenting, yeah, where we are storing some data which is common in a two strings, right? Yeah, we are not which is not common in the two strings. So every data will store in a 2D form which is common or which is not common, right? So DP is worked, yeah, DP is based on a 2D table where we where the entry is at a DP ij represent the length of the LCS of first I characters of the first string and the first j character of the second strings. So how can we work? Yeah, which is the importance of LCS as compared to recursive, because it reduce the time complexity, because we are not implementing, yeah, we are not worked on a multiple similar subsequences. If have a one time, yeah, we can say हमारे पास एक ही टाइम हम उसको स्टोर कराएंगे, अगर वो मल्टीपल टाइम्स आ रहा है there is no need to store again, right? So these how these we can reduce the time complexity as well as a store space complexity, right? So the time complexity of a DP is a big O m into n. M is nothing but it is the length of the string 1 and n is the length of the string 2. Same as the space complexity, because every time हमें उतने ही number of elements की requirement हो गया जितना हमारे length के अंदर या हमारी strings की length में given है. So the heart of the DP, yeah, we can say the DP formula. This is the formula where we are calculating the index. Yeah, we are create a table and this table is designed in a 2D form, right? And how can we position, how can we entry of DP elements in the table? This is based on this formula, right? If I let's say कि हमारा I equal to 0 and j also equal to 0. अगर ऐसा कुछ सिचुएशन है तो हम सिंपली क्या करेंगे, अपने DP of ij में DP of ij में हम सिंपली प्रिंट करा देते हैं 0, ठीक है? If this situation is not, the situation is this कि if x of I minus 1 equal to y of j minus 1, यानी कि अगर केस हमारा ऐसा होता है कि हमारा जो पर्टिकुलर इंडेक्स है वो हमारे दोनों कैरेक्टर्स इक्वल है. लेट सपोज कि मैंने यहाँ पे बोला ax या x y a z, यहाँ मैं बोल रही हूँ a y z k, राइट? लेट सपोज. तो यहाँ पे दिस सिचुएशन यानी कि दिस पर्टिकुलर इंडेक्स पे हमारा क्या होगा, a, यानी कि आपका x ऑफ i माइनस 1 भी मैच कर रहा है x ऑफ y ऑफ j माइनस 1, यानी कि बोथ कैरेक्टर्स आर सेम ऑफ x एंड y स्ट्रिंग्स. तो इन दिस केस वी आर पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ dp ऑफ ij, the i minus 1 and j minus 1 plus 1. दैट मीन्स ये एक फॉर्मूला है. हाउ कैन इट वर्क? वी आर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग इन द प्रैक्टिकल सिनेरियो, बट एज पर द रूल हम बस इतना समझ के चलते हैं कि दिस इज द हार्ट ऑफ द डीपी एंड दिस इज द मेन फॉर्मूला थ्रू विच वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग द इंडेक्स वैल्यू ऑफ द टेबल, राइट. एंड अगर मान लो हमारा ये मैच नहीं करता है, जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए एंड एक्स नॉट मैच्ड विद ईच अदर, राइट. सो हमें वैल्यू क्या पुट करनी होगी? मैक्स ऑफ डीपी आई माइनस वन ऑफ जे एंड डीपी आई माइनस आई जे माइनस वन. दिस इज द इंडेक्स. दैट मीन्स हम क्या करेंगे? लेट सपोज कि हम यहाँ पे हैं, हमें यहाँ वैल्यू पुट करनी है, तो हमें इसके लिए इधर आना होगा और इसके लिए हमें यहाँ पे इस पर्टिकुलर इंडेक्स पे आना होगा, और इन दोनों में जो मैक्स होगा उसको हम इधर पुट करा देंगे. ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूला कैसे वर्क करता है? लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल एंड implementing this particular practical scenario. So basically we have a string 1 and string 2 and we are taking a table and the length of the table is always tends to m plus 1 and n plus 1 because the 0th index we are taking as a value 0. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we have a 4 elements and here we have a 4 elements. Right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's say the string 1, this is the x and this is a y. Right? The x is considered as a row and y is considered as a column. Right? So basically here we have a x, t and y. Here we have a y, z, x, right? So this is the case of implementing LCS algorithm on the given strings to find the maximum, yeah, we can say the longest common subsequence. How it will work? So at a 0 index we are simply putting the 0 value both side, right? Now we will compare both characters of the string. Let's say the string first character of the string 1 and the first character of the string 2. So here we have a and also we have a. So basically this particular concept is, according to this, the I minus 1 and j minus 1 are equal, as you see, right? So I minus 1, that means here we have the current position of the pointer is this, and the I minus 1 we are calculating this particular index. So हमें क्या करना है कि ये मैच कर रहा है, तो that means हमने क्या पुट करना है? As the formula is decided कि I minus 1 and j minus 1 plus 1. So how can we calculate I minus 1? I मतलब row. So basically we are going on this particular position, right? Here we have the pointer. Next j minus 1, that means column minus 1. Here we are at present, but after the j minus 1 we are presenting at this particular position. And as the formula we are calculating these positions and plus 1, right? Yeah. तो हम कहाँ पहुंच गए? I minus 1, that means here, and j minus 1, that means here. तो हमें क्या वैल्यू मिलता है? A of या x of I minus 1 and y of j minus 1 we are calculating as 0, 0, right? Sorry. So at a 0, 0 we have a value 0. And now we are adding 1, that is 1. So simply we are putting 1 as, right? And what is the arrow is going on? We are representing it as a diagonal. जहां पे हमें कॉमन मैच मिलता है, हम क्या करते हैं? उसका जो एरो, बिकॉज हमने किसको ऐड किया है? इस पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू को प्लस 1 करके हमारा जो आंसर आया फाइनल 1, एंड एरो किसकी तरफ जाएगा? आपके उस वैल्यू को जिसको हमने एज अ रेफरेंस यूज किया है. नेक्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट या वी विल कंपेयर द नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट. द एलिमेंट इज y, a and y. Not match, that means we are taking this particular possibility. So max of dp I minus 1 into j and dp I into j minus 1. So basically हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि I minus 1 that means हम यहाँ आ गए and j minus 1 हम कहाँ पे आ जाते हैं इधर, ठीक है. तो that means ये and ये, this particular value and this particular value, what is the max of these values? So 1 is the max and the arrow is going to represent this particular, because among the both values we are taking is this, so arrow is going to that value which is taking as a reference, right? So again we are calculating a and z. A and z is not matched, so again we are calculating according formula. The value is 0 and 1. What is the max of these value? So 1 is the max and arrow is going to represent this, right? Next again we are comparing x and a. So not match, so again we are taking as the max value of these both values. So max is 1, arrow is going to this. तो पहला जो पर्टिकुलर हमारा कैलकुलेशन रहा है वो आपको आई होप सभी को समझ में आ गया है. हमने कैसे किया है, वेरी फर्स्ट हम चेक करेंगे कि हमारा 0th इंडेक्स हमने 0 पे पुट कर दिया है, ठीक है. 1th इंडेक्स पे हमारा मैच हो रहा है, तो मैच हो रहा है तो दैट मीन्स हमें क्या करना है, हमें डायगोनल में देखना है कि व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर सेल. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस सेल इज 0 एंड वी आर टेकिंग इज अकॉर्डिंग फॉर्मूला कि जो भी हमारा यहाँ पे आ रहा है उसमें हमने 1 ऐड करना है. सो बेसिकली हियर वी हैव अ 0 एंड आफ्टर एडिंग 1 वी कैलकुलेट एज अ 1. सो द वैल्यू बिकम 1 एंड द डायगोनल indication of this cell, right? So again we are calculating for the next row. So basically x and a. So not match, we are calculate again the max value of I minus 1 and j minus 1 I, right? So basically here the max value of 1, but arrow is going to this direction because we are taking this value in this box, right? Then again x and y not match, that means the max value of the both, this is 1, but the direction is as per your choice. Either you can choose this direction and either you can choose this direction, that depends on you, right? So basically when we have the same value both side, तो हमारी मर्जी है कि हम ऊपर वाले को चूज करें या हम साइड वाले को, right? तो this is up to you. Next x and z. So again not match, मैंने डायरेक्शन ये चूज किया. Again x and x, here we have a match. When we have a match, we are taking the index value the above diagonal. We are looking at the diagonal part. So we have the diagonal 1 and after adding 1 it becomes 2, right? So again this is complete, but the direction of the path is going to diagonal. Next we have a t, right? So t is not matched with a, the maximum value we are taking here, so this is the maximum. Next again y not matched, so again we are comparing and the maximum have both values are same, so it depends on you. We are taking as one this side and this side, and again we are comparing with z, so this is not match. 1 is the direction is this, and next t is not. Among the not match का case है and we are looking the maximum value between these and this, right? So maximum is 2 and direction going to this, right? Next compare the again next character y and a, not match. Among the 0 and 1 the maximum value is 1, the direction is going to, and next y, here we have a match, right? So here we have a match. According to match we are taking the diagonal value. What is the diagonal value? 1, and after adding 1 it becomes 2, right? Then again we are comparing both direction, both cells like this and this, so maximum value is this and the diagonal representing this direction. Next again do not match, and again we are taking as a max value. So basically here we have. So this is the DP bottom up approach, right? This is the bottom up approach, and this is also called a bottom up approach tabulation. डीपी के अंदर हमारे दो अप्रोच होते हैं, एक हमारा टॉप डाउन अप्रोच एंड दिस इज अ बॉटम अप अप्रोच, राइट. सो वी आर टेकिंग द एट दिस पर्टिकुलर इंडेक्स. हमारा जो पाथ अब डिसाइड होता है वो यहाँ से, हम वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम हमने कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया, एज वी आर टेकिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर पाथ we are going according to direction. The direction is representing to this cell, so we also move on this, then again we are moving on this. So as we are reaching at that cell, we are taking this value out of the box, या हम इसको as अपनी output value लेंगे. This is the y, right. जहां पे भी हमें diagonal दिखता है हम उसको as अपनी output value, because there is the case of matching, and we also find the maximum या longest common subsequence. So as we compared, ये हमें यहाँ से 2 से तो हमें ये पता चल रहा है कि जो मेरा common subsequence आएगा उसके अंदर 2 number of characters होंगे, क्योंकि इसका जो size आया है वो 2 है. But which one is the character which have the match? So basically we are calculating by according to this direction, and where we have a diagonal direction we are taking as a output. So according to this direction we are moving this cell. So this cell is representing we have to go up, right. Then we, according the path, we are reaching at this particular location, then again we are having this. So basically here we have also again a diagonal, and this diagonal value is taking as a output. So basically this is the common subsequence of the given strings and have the max size 2, right. This is the common longest subsequence. So basically this is the implementation of LCS. If you are understand it, so please comment and like the content, and thank you so much.